Q-Robot is an interactive educational robot developed by Wonder Workshop, designed to help students learn coding, computer science, and problem-solving skills in a fun and hands-on way. It is used by middle school and high school students, supporting both block-based coding and text-based programming. Unlike simple remote-controlled toys, Q-Robots are designed to be programmed and customized. Users can write code that tells the robot how to move, respond to its environment, play sounds, use lights, and interact with sensors. This bridges the gap between play and real coding skills, making them excellent tools for STEM education in classrooms, clubs, or at home. Q-Robot is an interactive learning tool. It can encourage logic, creativity, and problem-solving. It works with both block-based coding and text-based coding, like JavaScript, for more advanced learners. It can detect light, obstacles, touches, and more.